we are going to find the value of 4 divided by 8 over 2 times 4. So let me rewrite it in the form of 4 divided by 8 over divided by 2 times 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it is going to be in the form of 4 divided by 4 times 4. Next, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. Option D, correct answer. Let me ask you a question. Is this correct answer? Absolutely not. To solve this type of question, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operation. In this case, we need to do operation on top and bottom separately. Then we can continue the solution. So let me rewrite the question. We have 4 divided by 8 over 2 times 4. Operation on top, we have 4 divided by 8, which means 1 over 2. Bottom, we have 2 times 4 or 8. Now, it can be written in the form of 1 over 2 over divided by 8. To solve this, I'm going to convert this division to multiplication, which means 1 over 2 times reverse of 8 or 1 over 8. Now, 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 8 is 16. And 1 over 16 is the correct answer. Option A, no. Option B, no. And option C is correct answer. Have fun.